game called Mycelia. See, it's got mushroom people on it. Yeah. You open it up. Mycelia by Ravensburger.
You said it really well.
See what we got in here. Ooh, all kinds of stuff.
All kinds of stuff.
Some cards. I'll open those up. Ooh, those are a bunch of beads. Look at that. We'll open that in a minute. A die, yep.
A die.
More cards.
What's this?
Waiting for the instructions. There's more instructions.
Instructions?
Yep.
These are things you can punch out.
There are things to punch out. You're right.
Yeah.
So let's take.
Yeah.
You know, I'll show you a trick. Here's what you do. You pick it up and you tip it, and then they'll come out.
Whoa.
That's kind of cool, huh? These, a lot of those, all kinds of things. Looks like we got something we got to put together. Those are boards.
What are these?
I don't know. The rules will tell us. Grandpa, look at the rules while you're doing that. We'll figure
They
it out.
might be gems or they might be leaves.
That's good.
Yep.
It's okay. There's a lot. Now there's a lot.
There's a lot. This is the shrine we're going to put together. We'll have to find them all. Green leaves and red leaves and orange leaves. All kinds of leaves.
Flowers.
Put it in the
That's
box.
3 out of it.
No.
Another one. That's 2 actually. Look, it's 2 of them. See? Open it up. It's 2. There you go.
Thanks. What's this?
Oh, don't pull it. It might be.
Careful. Let me see.
I think that's a door.
It might need to stay in
Yeah,
one
I
piece.
think
Let
that
me take a
stays
look.
on it.
Yeah, that's the ramp. You don't want to break that off. The ramp stays on, but here, Grandpa will take these out because there's little holes. These guys got to come out. Remember the racing one where we built the big ramp? This is kind of like that. We'll build it when we're done. They have 5s on them. You're shooting at a Grammy. There we go. That's part of the board we're going to build. That's the middle.
See that?
Good shot. Yeah, I saw that. And right back in the box. Now, which way does it go? It shows the arrow on that side. So this is going to go right here like this. So this is going to go put in here. So he goes in here. And then there. And then this thing goes in here.
This goes here.
That one goes in there? Okay.
That goes here. That goes here.
That's a good idea.
And these are going here. So he goes there and there. There and there. There and there. Now see? The pieces go in there. Now it's all set. So now we have our table.
Put them in.
Put them in, yeah. The more you put in, the more will come out. So now spin it. There they go. So we'll do this. Just put a whole bunch on there. All on there.
Then we spin it.
Spread them around some. Go ahead, now spin it. Whoa! Fire.
Yeah?
Can you say Mycelia?
Sam.
No, Mycelia.
Sam.